I have been riding a lot of e-bikes here lately, and one of the things is when I started realizing that e-bikes are kind of like a little different category than a bicycle helmet. Class 3 e-bike is rated up to 28 miles an hour, means that maybe the helmets that are made for bicycles just don't cut it anymore. And your normal bicycle helmet has the CPSC rating. This is a really good one. It's the MIPS on the inside. It's the best bicycle helmet that I could find. Well, the problem is these helmets right here are only rated up to 15 miles per hour. Well, I'm doing double that. This is the XNITO old school collection. I have been using this for around about maybe a month to 2 months now. And now that I put it through its proper review, I kind of want to go over with you guys. The company XNITO wanted to design a helmet that is designed for higher speeds, meaning that e-bike type speeds. And that means that this is rated up to class 3 e-bikes and e-scooters. That gives you a way better crash protection than your normal bike helmet. So I would highly recommend one of these for anybody that's out riding e-bikes mostly because of your speeds. And I can tell you 98% of the time when I'm riding an e-bike, I'm probably riding it on pavement. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Number one, it comes in an awesome looking box. This is very well packed. This is how you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it in this bag like this. You're gonna get a visor with it, which I did not like the visor. I don't like a visor on my biking helmets. And then there's a little owner's manual. And you're thinking, why is there an owner's manual for a bike helmet? Well, because you get the bike helmet, and then there's also something else in here. Check this out. This is a USB-C cable. This has a very premium look to it. It is scratched up where it just kind of fell off my bike. And what this is a polycarbonate shell. It is vented well. It says removable liner down here. It has this tensioning system in the back for the back of your head. That's nothing new, but you know what? It's great to have it because this one's low and it's padded, so it snugs up to the back of my head. And speaking of connectors, check this thing out. This is something new to me. The Fidlock system. I love it that XNITO did that because that is one of the coolest features that not many people talk about these helmets. And that is so easy to put this on and off, the way it just kind of like slides. And when it's on, that has a higher braking strength than your normal buckle locks. So good job on XNITO on that. So it's got a chin strap adjustment that's under there, and this is a pad. That way you don't get like a rub mark right there on your chin. So remember you had this USB-C cable. Check that little opening out right there. It's got 3 modes of operation. Number one, the front is just a headlight. The back, you can see it in the camera, that is like a flashing red light. And then that's number one. Number two is an always on top red light, if you can see that right there. Number 3 is a kind of a pulsating top red light. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. The problem with a battery powered e-bike, when the battery's dead, your headlight and your brake light's out. That means you are completely in the dark. Can you believe I actually use this little light right here to get home? Is it meant for that? No. This is meant for safety, but it has saved my butt at times of getting back home when the lights have went completely out of my bike. As far as colors, this is called the Urbanite colors. I'll throw the colors up on the screen now. This one's the Urbanite. There's one called the Logan, the Disco, and the Gull. So it comes in a wide variety of colors, so you can kind of customize whatever you want with that. Covers along the back of the head right there, all around the back, the top, and a lot around the front with a cinch down. One other feature here I want to show you guys, check this out. There's also a winter lining. I've used this already a few times. Now it's back spring now, so I don't really need this winter lining, but you can see how this lining goes up under there because, man, it gets cold out here in the winter, and I still ride my bike year round. These go through there, so you can see how that kind of gives you this winter lining. So final thoughts here. I think it's like, what is your head worth to you? I highly recommend this helmet to anyone riding an e-bike, whether it's a scooter, a one wheel, whatever. If you're going at high speeds, I recommend getting a helmet that can withstand high speeds on impact on the pavement before you step up into a motorcycle helmet. You know, you can really get up in those dirt bike and motorcycle helmets would be the next level over this right here. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the XNITO bike helmet. Let's get out of here. Woo!